You must have heard the morning voice of nature. So this is Ramsha's trek that we did this Sunday. We started this trek at 5 a.m. in the morning because we wanted to reach at the top before sunrise. The view was amazing and the wind was great. It was very refreshing. So the first point was this Ram Mandir, which comes before the base point of Ramsha's fort. So it's basically a fort where Shivaji Maharaj came and took, shelter while he was fighting from Mughals and running away from Mughals. So this temple, you can see it's a Ram Mandir. There's small, it's like a cave wherein you have to enter a cave and, this is the temple. You have to bend your head before entering. Then this is one of the amazing point, which is Shivlinga place. Basically, this Shivlinga is Khandit. That's what the priest at the temple said. And from that hole, basically the water drips, and there are two ways to reach this Shivlinga. One is that from those stairs you can see the Shivlinga, and then the other side from where we climbed, which was a bit risky. So I would not say, advise for all to climb that. Then upon reaching near to the top, there is this main Bhavani Mandir. So this, you can see, this is my friend and the daughter are doing puja in the morning. So it's Bhavani temple. It started raining when we reached to the top. This is like the fort structure where there's nothing left like a fort, but it's just the walls are there. So you can just go down, and from the balcony, you can see the view. So this is one of the balcony kind of a structure. So these are places like that where you can take pictures. And started raining when we reached the top, and during this trek we also found this one friend for which I was waiting right now to come because he kind of slowed down. And yeah, it was amazing, very easy trek, like in 2 hours you'll climb and get down. Then we had our missile, and this was our Sunday morning, which was very well spent. And do come to Nasik during monsoon.